Well, greetings from Bill O'Leary. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how a divorce and remarriage affects Social Security benefits. So in this video, you're going to learn three things. Number one, what full retirement age is for Social Security and how married persons can collect either on their work record or on their spouse's record. Two, you're going to learn how divorce and remarriage affects the ability to collect Social Security on your spouse's record. And three, how divorce and remarriage will affect the Social Security survivor benefit when a spouse dies. First, a quick intro. My name is Bill O'Leary. I'm an experienced estate planning and elder law attorney in Jacksonville, Florida. My firm is Legacy Planning Law Group. So let's jump right in. So with respect to this question, divorce and remarriage affecting Social Security benefits. Look, we all know that we can collect Social Security when we reach what's called full retirement age. Well, what's that? Well, if you were born between 1943 and 1954, that's age 66, okay? Now, if you were born after 1954, the full retirement age increases gradually. So if you're born between 1955 and 1959, and if you were born in 1960 or later, the age is 67. Now you can also collect Social Security as early as age 62 at a reduced amount, or wait until you are age 70, and the amount actually would be higher than you would if you took it at your full retirement age. But I want to focus this talk on how Social Security benefits are affected by divorce and remarriage. Married persons, they can collect Social Security on their own work record, but they can also collect on their spouse's work record. And so as a spouse, you have the option of claiming Social Security, the retirement benefit that's based on your own working record, what's called earnings record, or again, you can collect on a spousal benefit equal to half of your spouse's Social Security benefit. You can actually collect the higher of the two. And you can collect on your spouse's record even if you've never worked yourself in your life. Well, what is not well known is that this ability to collect on a spouse's work record also applies in a divorce situation as long as you haven't remarried. So as a divorced spouse, you can collect benefits on your ex-spouse's record even if your ex-spouse has gotten remarried, and even if your ex-spouse's new spouse is also collecting on your ex-spouse's records. You basically have two spouses collecting on the same spouse's record. But that doesn't happen automatically. There are several requirements that have to be met. Number one, you have to have been married for at least 10 years. Two, you have to be age 62 or older. Third, your ex-spouse must be old enough to be eligible for Social Security. And fourth, as I said, you can't be currently married. Now, if you do get remarried, you cannot collect Social Security based on your former spouse's record unless the new marriage ends, let's say by divorce or death. Now, let's say that your ex-spouse qualifies for Social Security, but hasn't applied for it yet. You can still receive benefits on their record as long as you have been divorced for at least 2 years. Now I want to shift and talk about survivor benefits. How does divorce and remarriage affect that? Well, divorced spouses are entitled to survivor benefits in certain situations. If you're the divorced spouse of a worker who has died, you can still be eligible for survivor benefits as long as the marriage lasted 10 years or more. Now, you will receive a reduced benefit, okay, if you collect at age 60, or a full benefit if you wait until your full retirement age. Survivor benefits are basically the equivalent to a deceased spouse's full Social Security benefit amount. Now, what happens if you remarry in the situation after your previous spouse has died? Does that affect your survivor benefit? Well, it does if you remarry before age 60. So in that situation, you can't collect a survivor benefit unless, again, the later marriage ultimately ends through death or divorce. Now, if you remarry after age 60, you can still receive survivor benefits based on your former deceased spouse's record. However, interestingly enough, If your new spouse is also collecting Social Security benefits, and let's say that you would receive a higher amount based on your new spouse's work record, you actually get the higher amount. And then once you reach full retirement age and become eligible for a survivor's benefit as well as your own benefit, you then have a choice to make. Possibly it presents a great opportunity. As the surviving spouse, you see, you can choose to take a survivor benefit first and let your own retirement benefit sit there and get bigger. The Social Security Administration calls this letting your benefit accrue. Then you can later switch to your own retirement benefit if it becomes larger. So if you'd like to know more about how divorce and remarriage affects Social Security benefits and maybe how we can help, we'd love to talk to you. So I invite you to take an easy first step. Reach out, schedule a free 15-minute phone call. We call it the Discovery, a phone call. And it's a chance for you to tell us what's on your mind. Scheduling the call could not be any easier. So just click on the link at the bottom of this video. It's a scheduling link, or you can go to our website and select the Book Now button. But if you go to the bottom of this video, click on the link, and it's going to take you straight to our booking calendar. Just pick the day and time that works best for you. So this is Bill O'Leary signing off for now. And on behalf of everybody here at my firm, Legacy Planning Law Group, we call ourselves Team Legacy. Go make it a great day and a better